Hello friends, I am Roshan Kore, consulting dietitian at Narayana Health SRCC Children's Hospital. Today I have with me Chef Vishakha, who is going to talk to us about interesting recipe. As we all know, children love to eat a variety of foods. Anything which is repeated more than once in a week becomes boring. So today she is going to talk to us about a Mexican recipe. Chef, what are you going to teach us today?
Today we are making crepe quesadilla. Quesadillas are usually made with maida or refined flour to make the tortillas or corn flour. But today we'll be using a healthier ingredient, which is red lentil, to make our crepes.
That is wonderful.
So first we'll start with the filling. For filling we have some fresh boiled corn, red bell pepper, green capsicum, some oil, chili flakes and salt.
Chef, what if a child doesn't like one of these ingredients? Is there something else they can use?
Sure, we can use some mushrooms, we can use some onion, then yellow bell pepper, which is a little sweeter rather than the green bell pepper, which is a little on the bitter side. And we can use some olives.
Chef, that gives me a thought. If we add things like paneer, then we can even increase the protein content further,
Yes.
isn't it?
Yes,
Yeah.
we can also add paneer, cheese.
So our mothers
tofu.
can
Yes.
work out with different protein
Yes.
foods and make it more nutritious.
Yes.
Okay.
Once the pan is hot, we'll just add some oil.
Which oil can we use, Chef?
We can use normal sunflower oil or even olive oil.
Okay.
Try not to use any dominant flavored oil.
So
like
no
mustard
strong
oil.
smelling
Yes.
oils.
Yes.
Okay.
Just let our oil heat up a little. Then we'll add some vegetables. Red bell pepper, green capsicum, and some boiled corn, which is right now in season.
So these different colors are making the dish even more attractive.
That's true. We don't have to cook the vegetables through and through. We just have to saute it on medium flame. We just add some chili flakes to this. This is optional. In case your child does not like to eat chili flakes or something spicy, you can skip it.
Then some other herbs like oregano can also
Yes.
be added, right?
Or even a little black pepper is okay. That's
Color
it.
will also change.
We are done with our filling. We will keep this aside and we will move on to our next element, which is the salsa.
So Chef, how are we going to make the salsa?
Salsa is very simple to make since it's an uncooked salsa. We just add some chopped tomatoes to a bowl.
Okay.
And next we'll add some chopped onions. And our basic spices, salt and red chili flakes. And then we'll just mix all of this.
So parents, these are small places where you can involve the child in the cooking and make food interesting for them.
So our salsa is done.
Very good. So Chef, what is the next thing that we are making?
The next thing we are making is another easy and quick thing, which is known as the sour cream. This is our regular version of sour cream, which we can make it at home instead of buying it from outside. So for our sour cream, we have taken some curd and we have whisked it. Now we'll add some lemon juice to it.
To give a little bit of tanginess.
Yes. And we'll add some salt and pepper to season this. Our sour cream is ready to be used.
Wonderful. What's the next step?
Now we'll make the base of the quesadilla, which will be our red lentil crepes.
Chef, what is this batter? It has a wonderful color.
So this batter is made with red lentils. We have washed and soaked the red lentils for about 3 to 4 hours, and then we have blended in a mixer with some water, and it should have a consistent runny consistency like this.
Okay.
Not too runny, but not too thick. Just grease this pan with some oil. Before we pour the batter, we have to make sure we have stirred it properly so that it's not settling down at the bottom.
Have we added salt to this batter also?
Yes, we have.
So a lot of components are having salt, so we have to be really very mindful as to how much we add in and
Yes,
everything.
that is correct. And we have to cook this on low to medium flame. So this is done.
So now is the fun part where we assemble everything.
Yes. Now it's
Great.
the fun and easy part about assembling our quesadilla. Now first we'll start by putting some filling. We only have to put it on one side because we'll be folding it.
Okay.
Try not to push it towards the edges because when you'll be folding it will get pushed.
Okay.
Then we'll put some salsa. We'll put some sour cream on top. Just drizzle it.
So this recipe is kind of like filled with all kinds of nutrients.
Yes.
It's like one meal in a go.
Yes. And some everybody's favorite, some cheese to go on top. You can use any cheese, processed, mozzarella, cheddar, anything.
Kids just love it.
And then we'll just fold it and just pat it a little so that it becomes nice and fixed. Very carefully we have to take this and place it on the pan. Brush some oil on top.
Wonderful.
Now we'll just cut it into two halves.